Hey guys, Dan El Russo again with you, and today we're going to talk about gray hair. There are a lot of talking about gray hair. Is it synthetic? Is it human gray hair? And which are the benefits of the human gray hair against synthetic? Okay, and we wanted to make some experiment with both types of gray hair, synthetic and human gray. So watch that and let's speak about it.
Here we got our small part of 30% gray in synthetic and human gray 560. Okay, and our hair straightener will apply a lot of heat. So we pass through the whole lock of our synthetic hair, and look what's happening. The white hairs are almost destroyed with excessive heat, and look at our straightener, it almost left there. And now we're doing the same thing on the natural human hair. Look, nothing happens. So we can get that the human gray hair is more resistant, it's more elastic, and it can handle much more heat than the synthetic one.
So as you can see, the synthetic hair isn't worse than the human, but it can't handle the high temperature. Even the human hair is not supposed to be heated every day. So if you have some party, some event, you can work with hair dryer at the middle temperature, and can make your hair system last longer. I've changed my hair system from the number 6 to gray human hair, and it's 60% of gray hair, and I'm very happy because I have something like 40, 45 or 50 gray hair in my natural at the sides, so it makes a great match. You can see it. And if you want to change your look, if you have a gray hair naturally, buy the human gray hair system or synthetic ones at 30, 40 and 50%, but you should hydrate it more, and you shouldn't use the blow dryer at high temperature. Okay, so it was Dan, exclusive brand ambassador of New Times Hair. See ya.